Good morning, my name's Charles, welcome to CBIT. Today I'm going to be showing you around our potentially new offices. It's a little bit different, this video, so I'm just going to show you around and see what we've got. Right. So the building that I'm in is an old pub, and as you can see, it needs a bit of work. There's a lot of work which needs doing. The floors need repairing, some floorboards replacing when needs be, and the rest of them putting down. Sorry about the light. The walls are back to brick, so we've got to do some stud work, we've got to insulate, we've got to run all the power, the data, and everything else that we need for the business. So we've got quite a lot of work in these rooms. Got a few marked offices, rooms which will be offices when we get a chance to finish the work in them. And we've all got period features, fireplaces, we've got high ceilings which we've got to try and fix as well. We've got insulate between the floors. We've got rooms for workshops which we need to work on. And then we've got the upstairs as well. We will be creating a series. I've actually got another YouTube channel which I've just started, where we will be fitting out this building, doing all the building work, and getting the building ready for us to move into. The plans are for us to have our offices here, have a trade counter as well, and a little repair area for consumer PCs, so we'll be able to do more builds, more repairs for the local community. Hopefully, if we can get all the planning consent and for the change of use from a pub to commercial, I'm hoping to have moved in 3 to 4 months' time. Another part of this building, we will be renting out to other small businesses. So as we get closer to getting that completed, I will be putting notices out to see if anybody in the local area is looking for managed offices, which is what we're going to be doing if everything goes to plan. So I won't be doing the actual build work, documenting it on this channel. Like I said, I'll be doing that on my other channel. That way, this main channel will be still IT related stuff and gaming, but the actual building work will be done on the other channel. So if you'd like to, I'll put a link to that channel below. If you'd like to pop over and keep subscribed to that one, you'll be able to see the build as it's progressing. And as I'm not an expert in this, if anybody's got any pointers for when we're doing this thing, I will be very grateful. On the other channel as well, once we've got everything set up and all moved in, that will be more of a woodworking channel as well, for something for my DIY and hobby woodworking. Again, I won't be doing that on this channel, I'll be doing that on that channel to keep it separate. So, sorry I've not been around for the other videos recently. I've been busy sorting things out. Hopefully there will be a few gaming videos come up in the next week or so, and some more tutorials which I am recording at the moment. When we get round to do the data cabling in the building, I will be putting that on this channel, as well as the other one. They'll probably be the same video, or very similar, or at least a link to both of them, if I can, because that will be what we need on this side of things. It will be IT related. If we've got any local companies who'd like to get involved with the redevelopment of this property, then just hit me up and we can see what we can do together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.